Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is toothache, tooth pain. Why does we get toothache or tooth pain? Why? Everyone should know why the pain comes. Why the pain comes and why the pain kills us. When the pain comes, it is very severe and unbearable. No one can bear if a toothache is there. And one of the most common reason is do not brushing your teeth properly. You should properly use your brush to clean your teeth. So many people just for 30 seconds, just for name's sake, just for 30 seconds, 20 seconds, they used to brush their teeth. After that, they just went away and they go for face wash and they went away. They say that I am fresh up now. Just brush your teeth properly, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Just keep brushing smoothly. Don't use the brush in rough nature. Just use it in smooth manner. This is the one of the main reason, and one of the biggest reason is eating biscuits, chocolates and whatever the things like that which sticks or which paste between your teeth. In past times, what I see is in past times in old peoples, whenever they used to eat, whenever they used to drink, I saw some peoples, they used to pour some water into the mouth and bubbles it inside the mouth and split over outside. Like that, whenever you eat something like chocolates or biscuits or bread, something sweets, whatever it is, if it is had some taste, after completing your eating, whatever it is, a meal, dinner, lunch, tiffin, whatever it is, after completion, just pour some water into your mouth, just bubble it inside your mouth and split over outside. It will help 90%, 90% definitely it will be helpful. When you are bubbling inside your mouth with some water, it helps to get out the things that which have stuck over the teeth. There will be some very little gap between the teeth and whatever the things stuck over there, like chocolates, biscuits, some other thing like creamy layers. Other like creamy layers that will be stuck over there. When you bubble it inside your mouth with some water, it will come over, and if you split it, and it will be good. And after that, take some water and drink it. Even if it is a one glass, it is very useful. Drinking water is also very useful, but when it is in the correct way. These are the two common reasons. First, brush your teeth properly. Second, pour some water and bubble it and split it over outside, just outside. And what are the medicines in homeopathy commonly used for toothache? First medicine is the chrysotom. Chrysotom had some specific symptoms that which are measurable, that which are indicating the medicine of chrysotom. The first symptom is the very severe ache, very intolerable, unbearable pain. There will be some unbearable pain, unquenching pain. Some people can't bear even a small pain also. Like that, if a toothache is very severe and you are suffering a lot, use chrysotom 200 is the medicine. And what are the signs and symptoms? Means pain is one of the symptoms, and if there is something like bleeding, then use the chrysotom 200. If something like blood and some pus clot on the gums, so many people, if you are suffered with some toothache, there will be some infection inside the gums, inside the gums, uh, that which forms the blood and pus to clot. After some duration, after some time, it will explode it. Some people taste it salty. Why? Because the pus and the blood mixture touches the tongue and makes it the taste very salty, and they feels have very severe problem and have so much of infection inside the gums. There is no infection, there is no nothing to bother about. If there is something like symptom, then use Chrysottom 200. And one more symptom is if there is something like swelling. Some people get more swelling when they get some toothache. Toothache comes because of eating hot foods, hot drinks, are very very cold, and fridge items or ice, like that much cold items eating or drinking. If you can't bear the pain, use Chrysottom 200. If the pain is very 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 severe, use the Chrysottom 200 medicine daily 3 times for 1 week. If it is moderate, if it is medium, use daily 2 times this medicine for 1 week. If it is the pain is very very low, the pain is in starting nature, use it for 1 time daily for 7 days and leave the medicine. Don't use the medicine for long time, just use it for 7 days and leave the medicine. Along with that, some medicines will be there, and use those medicines for long time. Just homeopathy medicines are meant to be used for a very specific time, and homeopathy is considered for single dose, but single dose takes 2 to 3 days time to get you somewhat of relief, but no one is ready to bear that pain for 2 to 3 days until they get relief. And the next medicine is the chamomilla. Chamomilla is the medicine that which is very very helpful in children's toothache. The children who cries very easily gets the chamomilla symptoms. In this chamomilla, the person when drinks some cold water, he gets relief. He feels somewhat of relief. Some people pour some water into the mouth and kept it at the tooth. They feel somewhat of relief, and then when the water becomes hot, the body temperature, the temperature of the body makes the water somewhat of hot. That tends to increase the pain. That tends to the increase of the pain of the tooth. So if you are getting very very good relief from eating ice creams or drinking or eating very icy items, very cold items, if the pain is getting relieved, then just use the medicine chamomilla. It will be very 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 benefited. The next medicine is the Stopis agria 200 or chamomilla. How to use chamomilla is, if the pain is very severe, use it for daily 3 times until 1 week. Moderate, use daily 2 times until 1 week. If it is very light, use 1 time until 1 week. And the next medicine is the Stopis agria is the medicine. When should we use the Stopis agria? Whenever your teeth gets a fissure. Fissure means hole in the teeth, and if it is in the black color, then use the Stopis agria 200. Then there is no need of any signs and symptoms. If you have generally whatever the toothache symptoms have, with that, along with that, if you have fissure in your teeth, hole in your teeth with blackness around the teeth, just use Stopis agria 200, who is the only medicine that which will be very very benefited. Within a short period of time, you can get relief from these symptoms, with including the blackness of the teeth. Other symptoms like toothache very severe, and there is something like inflammation, something like swelling, something like bleeding, some additional things, whatever it may be. If the teeth has a fissure, if your teeth has a hole and it is in a black color, then use the Stopis agria 200. use it this medicine. If the pain is severe, use it for 3 times until 1 week. Moderate 2 times until 1 week. Very light, use it for 1 week, 1 dose per day. These 3 medicines are based on the constitution of a person. If you are suffering with those specific symptoms, use those medicines. Now I used to tell them biochemic source. These medicines you can use at any time, at any cost. There is no time limit and there is no time lapse also. You can use this medicine for a long time. But in homeopathic medicines like chrysotum, chamomilla and stapis aurea are those medicines that which cannot be used for long time. And now what I am telling is the biochemic salts. These salts can be used for long time, until 1 month, 1 year, whatever or whenever you feel the pain. The bio number 23 is the medicine. They are got in pills format. Use those pills, 4 pills daily 3 times until you get the relief. Along with these symptoms, chrysotum, chamomilla and stapis aurea. Select one of these medicines according or based on your symptoms, based on your constitution. Pick one medicine. Along with that, use bio number 23 medicine. This medicine is specifically for toothache, severe toothache, unbearable toothache, and then additional symptoms, whatever there is swelling, bleeding, is there any infection or any pus formation, any blood clot, any other symptoms it includes. Just use it. Whenever you starting to use the medicines of homeopathy like chrysotum and stapis aurea and chamomilla, along with that use these medicines, 4 pills daily 3 times until 1 month. There is no need to worry. Use this medicine until 1 month. You can use this medicine until you die. There will be no problem. And the next medicine is the Eclalava 66. This medicine also is one of the medicine which comes in the form of biochemic. It comes under the homeopathy medicine and also it comes under the biochemic salt. Use this medicine for just only for 1 month. The people who feels that my teeth are very weak, I can't chew anything strong, I can't chew bones, I can't chew anything something like strong items, I can't eat chapati, I can't eat roti. These type of people can use Eclalava 66 tablets, 4 tablets daily twice for 1 month. Use it. Then automatically, slowly, the result of homeopathy is always slow in nature. Slowly you will get improvement. Don't expect very fast results in homeopathy. The pain will be very fastly reduced within a day or 2 days. But the development in the process of getting your teeth into normal strength is a process that which includes boosting the vital force, making your teeth stronger. So it takes certain time. Use it for 1 month and leave it. Don't use it for regularly or for 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. Just use it for 1 month and leave it. The additional doses always affects the working nature of the medicine. So use it for 1 month and just leave it. Automatically the development will be happens. And the same thing like Eclalava toothpaste. Generally Eclalava works on the bones of a person. If there is any tumors on the bones, if there is any bone cancer or any tumors on the bones, Eclalava is the first medicine in the homeopathy to select to go on. That much powerfully Eclalava medicine works. So Eclalava toothpaste is manufactured on the basis of these symptoms like weakness in the bones. We can use this toothpaste on the basis of daily 2 times. You can brush with it for daily 2 times until until you have teeth in your mouth. You can use it daily 2 times, compulsory daily 2 times. Whatever the day, whatever the things happens, just use daily 2 times. Brush it for 3 to 5 minutes very smoothly. Then your toothache comes very, 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 very low, and there will be low prescription. There will be low pain. If pain comes, there will be very, very low, and there is no mean to come any pain if you are suffering with the very weak bones or very weak teeth, especially very weak teeth. It works on the teeth only when you use the toothpaste for brushing. And the next medicine, I won't say it medicine, it includes medicine. This is a drops that which used for toothache, Dentagard drops. These Dentagard drops are very, very effectively useful, very, very effectively useful in the problem of toothaches. I generally prescribe, and I, especially myself, I used it when I am studying in 8th or 9th class. I got very, very, very severe pain. I just use that medicine within 15 minutes gap, just 3 times on that specific day when I get pain. Next 6 to 8 months I never get any pain, and I ate so many chocolates, whatever else I ate. But next 6 to 8 months, I'm in one of any day. In those days, any one day I didn't get any pain. That much long-term relief it gives. Use some cotton. If you have a fissure in your teeth, hole in your teeth, then only use this medicine. If you have no holes or nothing, and if you are bothering with some sensitiveness of the nerve or weakness of your teeth or any gum boils or any blood clot or pus formation or any infection, then don't use this medicine. If you are suffering with the toothache due to the decay of your teeth, decay means something like hole in your teeth, and there is some discoloration and the tooth color changing into the black color. At that time, use this medicine, use these drops, Dentagard drops. These drops can be used like, take some cotton. That cotton must be in very small size, and take it in very small quantity. How much size means how much the hole you have and how much cotton will be able to put it inside. That much cotton you should need to take, and apply some liquid of Dentagard drops. Pour some liquid of Dentagard drops on that cotton and put it on that specific hole. Don't touch that cotton. Don't touch that liquefied cotton to your gums. Just try to put it on the hole, on the fissure of the bone, correctly on the hole. Try to put it very correctly, and press the both upper and lower jaw tightly. Try to swallow the medicine that which comes out from it. Actually, those drops are the combination of medicines of mother tincture, homeopathy. Don't split it over. It is something like very hot incense, but the saliva will be eventually within 10 seconds. It will be mixed up with saliva, and overflow of saliva will happen. Just follow. Saliva is mixture of that medicine, and just swallow it. It will be very, very helpful and very effective in curing your teeth with fissure problems. What I mean is decay in your teeth. If you are not having any one of the symptoms that which I have told in this video, and you are suffering from the toothache, and if you are really interested in using homeopathy medicines, then please text to my WhatsApp number that which displayed on the screen, and I will get you the perfect homeopathy medicine that which you should need to use. Pick only one of the medicines from the Chrysotum, Chamomilla and Stapis agria. Any one of the medicine from that three medicines, and use biochemic 23 number, bio number 23. Along with that, Hecla lava 6x if you have weak teeth. Otherwise, there is no need to use. But Hecla lava 6x, not 6x, Hecla lava toothpaste will be very, very, very effectively works, and it helps to develop your enamel of your teeth. It very, very effectively works. And use the Dentagold drops along with that medicine, one of the medicine of those three, and with that bio number 23, and use Dentagold drops. If you have very severe pain, use it for every 15 minutes once. Take some cotton and put it inside your mouth until you get somewhat of relief. Use medicines also. Whenever you get the pain, for just emergency, use that Dentagold drops. Regularly brush your teeth with Hecla lava toothpaste, and then there will be most of the cases covered with these three medicines. If you are not suffering with these symptoms and suffering with the very specific symptoms or any other symptoms and wants to get treatment in homeopathy, then text me. I will get you the correct medicines. We will make the homeopathy to some large extent. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe.